Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Mercedes Me navigation favorites step by step clearly. To begin, start your Mercedes vehicle and ensure the infotainment system is on. Locate the home button on your dashboard or touchscreen. Tap on the navigation option from the home screen menu. Once you are in the navigation mode, find the favorites option. This is typically displayed as a star icon or labeled directly. Select the Favorites menu to view your saved locations. Browse through the list of favorites to find the one you wish to uninstall. Once you have located the favorite, press and hold the selected entry. A pop-up menu should appear with multiple options. Look for the option labeled Remove or Delete. Confirm your selection to uninstall the favorite from the list. If you wish to remove multiple favorites, repeat the process for each one. Once done, return to the main navigation screen. Your changes will be automatically saved, and the favorites will be removed. You can now continue using your navigation system without the uninstalled favorites. If you have any issues, consult your vehicle's user manual for further assistance. And that's how you uninstall Mercedes Me navigation favorites step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.